Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy tool for you to change the color of one word in text built into the editor. No extra features, no extra code needed. So here I am on my demo website. I'm going to click edit. You could do this on any page, and I'm going to highlight a word. Now, this is going to be really easy and obvious. The video is basically done. We're 60 seconds into it. So you could come in here, click into the text. I'm going to highlight this word here, and you'll see it gives you the option to change the color here. It gives you the option for your palette, but also any other color on the color wheel that you want to use. So if we choose a color like that, it's great. Now, it doesn't give you the option to change the font or the font size. That's still custom. But you can change the color with just 2 clicks. And you could actually come in here and do this for your body text as well. Highlight all of it, change it to whatever color you want. I'm going to change it to full black. Now, typically you want to do this at the part of your project where you've already built everything out and everything is exactly as you want it. And then you could customize specific sections. This is why I say that. I actually want all of this font to be like this red color, and you just choose this like red. Then you're going to have to go down here and do that again here, and then do it again here, and then do it again here. If you're going to change the heading color for all your fonts, do that in the site styles, in this little paintbrush here. Click on that, and then go to colors, and then for light 1, I would go in here and change heading, whatever heading this is here. You could see extra large. I would change this to red. I'd change it there so then it goes across my entire site. But if you're just trying to change one small thing, then I would focus on using the tool we just used. And pro tip for you, I just changed this back. Sometimes Squarespace doesn't save automatically. It's a little weird with that. In this case, I know what I did is right, so I'm going to hit save. It'll adjust itself now. It'll refresh, adjust itself. This is black again. So it's really easy to make that kind of assumption and get a little nervous, but I'm going to change this back to the color palette just like that. We're good to go. Hit save, done. Now, unfortunately, I'm in a blog post right now. This is the blog post title. You can't change the title. And then in the body text, you could make adjustments here. So you could see you could change the color here, but you can't change the title. So just bear that in mind as you begin. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.